how to add Binance Smart Chain network to MetaMask. In this tutorial I'm going to show you step-by-step process of adding Binance Smart Chain RPC to our MetaMask account, so let's start. First of all, you need to make sure that your MetaMask is installed and you logged into your account. Once you did this, we click on the MetaMask icon over here, and then we need to move our mouse to those three dots, click on them and then click Expand View. Once we do this, MetaMask will open in separate tab, and right now we can add new network over here where we see Ethereum mainnet. We just need to click over here, and over here we will be able to add Binance Smart Chain mainnet, for example. And in order to do that, we need to move our mouse to the bottom where we see custom RPC and click on it. Once you do this, you will see on the list over here network name, new RPC, chain ID, currency symbol and block explorer. So we will have to fill all those fields, just as you can see on the screen right now. Network name should be, for example, BNB BSC mainnet, or we can also remove the first part and we can just save it as BSC, which is Binance Smart Chain mainnet. New RPC should be bsc-dataset.binance.org, chain ID 56. Very important thing, if chain ID 56 doesn't work, I would recommend changing it to 0x38. This will work for sure, because 56 is in decimal, this is in hex. So make sure that for chain ID you will write 0x38, then currency symbol BNB and block explorer bscscan.com. And once you fill all those fields, all you need to do is click save. And right now your network should be already added over here to the list, so you can just click and simply switch between BSC and Ethereum or any other network that you've added over here. So that would be it for today. Please let me know in the comments if you managed to add Binance Smart Chain network to your MetaMask, and remember to hit thumbs up, subscribe our channel and share this video with your friends. Thanks for watching.